Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 linear equations in two variables. In previous class we discussed the introduction of linear equations in two variables. Now we are entering into exercise 6.1. The first question is given: express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and indicate the values of a comma b and c in each case. Okay, now the first question, first question, what now? 8x plus 5y minus 3 is equals to 0. This is in the form of, it is in the form of what now? Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Yes, so that's why what are the terms? We just compare with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So what is the x coefficient here? 8. The x coefficient is what on here? A. Means we can write here a is equals to 8. Next, y coefficient is b. What is the y coefficient here? That is 5. So b is equals to, we can write it as 5, and c is equals to what now? That is minus 3. So like this we can find the values of a, b, c in each case. Okay, next question number 3 in that is 15y. What is the third question, Nana? 93x is equals to 12 minus 15y. What I am doing? Transposing completely the RHS part to LHS part. Okay, now we can write it as 93x minus 15y transposing to LHS side, it becomes what, Nana? That is plus 15y. Plus 12 is transposing to LHS side, it becomes what, Nana? Minus 12. So that is equals to 0. And RHS part that is 0. Now you just compare with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. The x coefficient is a. So what, Nana? Here a is equals to x coefficient 93. B is equals to y coefficient, that is what, Nana? 15. And c is equals to, that is minus 12. Okay, okay ma. Now next question number 4 in that is 2x is equals to minus 5y. 2x is equals to what, Nana? Minus 5y. So I am transposing minus 5y to LHS side. Then what happened? 2x plus 5y is equals to 0. Now I am taking like this. I am comparing this one with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. The coefficient of x is a. Here a is equals to what, Nana? X coefficient is 2. The coefficient of y is b. The y coefficient is what, Nana? That is 5. But c is not there here. That's why we can take c is equals to what? That is 0. Okay. Okay, students. Now question number 5. The question is given like this: x by 3 plus y by 4 is equals to 7. So first of all I am taking the LCM of 3 comma 4. LCM of 3 comma 4, that is what, Nana? 3 4s are 12. Because of these two numbers are co-prime numbers except one. It factors entama. What are the factors of 3? Factors of 3 1 comma 3. Factors of 4 1 comma 2 comma 4. So what is the common factor? 1. Okay now. So two numbers having common factor is 1, then the numbers is called the co-prime numbers. So the LCM of 3 comma 4 is 12. So I am writing here 12. Now see clearly, what is the denominator? Is 3. So the denominator is what, Nana? 3. So this 3 how many times in this LCM? ఈ 3 అనేది ఈ 12లో 4 టైమ్స్ పోతుంది. సో దట్స్ వై 4 తోటి ఈ న్యూమరేటర్ని మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. 4 into x, 4x will come. Plus again, what is that denominator here? 4. This is how many times in this LCM? 3 times. So with 3 you multiply the numerator. 3 into y, 3y. Okay na? So that is equals to 7. Now what I am doing, transposing 12 to RHS side. Then what happened? 4x plus 3y is equals to 7 into division quantity transpose aithe it becomes into quantity. So 4x plus 3y is equals to 7 12s are, that is 84. I am transposing 84 to LHS side. Then what happened, Anna? That is 4x plus 3y minus 84 is equals to 0. Now comparing this equation, linear equation, with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now x coefficient is a, x coefficient is 4, means a is equals to 4, and y coefficient is 3, the y coefficient is b is equals to 3, c is equals to minus 84. Okay students, so we can find like this. Next question number 6 amma. The question is given like this: y is equals to minus 3 by 2 of x. Y is equals to minus 3 by 2 of x. So what I am doing here, transposing 2, only 2 to LHS side. Then what happened, Nana? Division quantity becomes into quantity, and that is 2 into y is equals to minus 3x will come. So 2 into y, 2y minus 3x also transpose into LHS side, it becomes plus 3x. Minus 3x transpose into LHS side, it becomes plus 3x. So I am writing in a order. First x, 3x plus 2y is equals to 0. Then you compare with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Then we can write x coefficient is a, then a is equals to x coefficient is 3 here. Then y coefficient is b, then y coefficient is here what, that is 2. Then c is equals to, that is what, 0. Okay students, so like this you can find the following equations. Okay students, now the second question is given like this: write each of the following in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, and find the values of b and c. In that, the first question is given like this, that is 2x is equals to 5. Okay, so now what I am doing here, I am transposing 5 to LHS side. Then what happened, Anna? 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. So I am writing this one, 2x plus 0y minus 5 is equals to 0. Now it is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Yes, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Then find the values of a comma b and c. The value of a is what one here? A is equals to 2. The value of b is equals to, that is 0. The value of c is equals to, that is minus 5. Okay ma, so like this you can find. Now second question, given y minus 2 is equals to 0. Y minus 2 is equals to 0. So I am writing this one, 0x plus 1y, 0x plus 1y minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, So now you just compare with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Okay, the values of a, b and c, a is equals to 0, b is equals to 1, the coefficient of y is what, Nana? This is the 1y. Okay, so 1, and c is equals to, that is minus 2. Okay na students? Like this, y by 7 is equals to 3. Y by 7 is equals to 3. So what I am doing, transposing 7 to RHS side. Then what happened, ra? Y is equals to 3 into 7. Division quantity transposing to RHS side, it becomes into quantity. So y is equals to 3 7s are 21. Now I am transposing 21 to LHS side. That is y minus 21 is equals to 0. Now I am writing this one, 0x plus 1y minus 21 is equals to 0. 0x because of ikkada x ledu. There is no term in x. That's why I written 0x plus 1y minus 21 is equals to 0. So if we compare with ax plus by plus c is equal